The nutritional supply chain is exposed to a relentless stream of business challenges. Connecting farmers, feed millers, processing plants, and retailers with products, consumers, and data should happen fluently and sustainably. Adifo wants to help you approach this process in a smart and affordable way. The combination of Microsoft technology with Adifo's extensive industry knowledge transforms organizations and brings the farmer, producer, and customer closer together. Adifo aims to unburden users on every level, from sales and purchasing to operations or inventory management. MILAS offers further assistance when it comes to traceability, safety and compliance, quality and recipe development, customer and product pricing, transport and distribution, commodity trade, risk management, and much more. MILAS. Take back full control of your business processes.